Today, we're diving into the hidden brain behind pretty much all modern automation, the PLC.
It all comes down to one big idea: swapping out physical wires for smart software. See, before PLCs, you had to deal with a giant, tangled mess of physical wires.
Imagine huge cabinets where one tiny change meant rewiring the whole thing, by hand.
Yeah, finding a problem in that mess? A total nightmare. We really needed something better.
And that's where the PLC comes in. It's a programmable logic controller. Hardware out, software in.
You can think of it as a tough little computer built to do one job perfectly.
So how does this brain actually work? Well, it's a simple but super powerful three-step process. First up, you have the inputs. These are its senses, feeding it data from the real world.
Then the CPU, the brain, crunches that data and decides what to do based on its programming.
And finally, the outputs. They're the muscle, carrying out commands to motors, lights, and valves.
And this whole cycle, from sensing to acting, it happens in the blink of an eye.
Okay, let's make this real. Think about something we've all seen, an airport's baggage system.
The instant your bag's barcode gets scanned, a PLC makes that first crucial decision.
This whole chain of split-second decisions makes sure your bag gets on the right plane.
Now, a simple thermostat is kind of like an old-school relay, but a PLC system, way smarter.
A smart PLC doesn't just blindly turn on the heat. It checks a bunch of things first.
The really advanced ones even learn how long it takes to heat the building for max efficiency.
So what was the big deal? Why was this such a game changer for so many industries? It boils down to this: they're smaller, easier to reprogram, quicker to fix, and simple to copy.
So from self-driving cars to high-tech vertical farms, you have to wonder, what's next for these invisible brains?